This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 25th of October. This is James Spann. Once again today, temperatures near record levels across the state. Will be very warm tomorrow. Then temperatures come down a bit by Sunday and the first part of next week. And could we see a shower or two in spots over the weekend? All the new data is in, so here we go. This is the upper air look across the country. These balloon launches are twice a day. Once in the evening, once in the morning. This is based on the morning launch. Flow pad at about 18,000 feet off the ground. And again, most of the dynamic support for significant rain is north of the state. And again, today we have a very dry air mass in place. That's the visible satellite view. Lots of sunshine. The closest rain to Alabama, one little shower over northern Arkansas. And that's it. And we're seeing evidence there could be a few little isolated showers over the state, maybe tomorrow night or Sunday, but again, meaningful rain, probably not. Ooh, buddy, it's warm for late October. Look at those numbers. Got Birmingham sitting at 85, Huntsville 85, mid-80s for Montgomery, Mobile, Dothan. Again, we'll see similar numbers tomorrow. And then the heat levels come down a bit by Sunday and the first few days of next week, but no sign of any frost for the next 7 to 10 days. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Very quiet. There could be a few isolated storms this evening from Little Rock up to Cincinnati, north of Alabama. No severe weather expected. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder around Shreveport. Nothing severe. And on day 3, which is Sunday, again, maybe some thunder along the coasts of Oregon and Washington State. Rain for the next 7 days. Pretty good numbers north and west of Alabama, but around here we just don't expect anything really significant. Again, there could be a few little spotty showers tomorrow night or Sunday, but not what we need. So in the tropics, very quiet. That's the 2-day outlook. This is the 7-day outlook. And again, this is the probabilistic outlook coming off the European global model, and this is the probability of tropical depression formation, not storm, but depression. And again, we're seeing signals that there could be something trying to stir down in the southern Caribbean as we get into the first week of November. And again, that is the OZ look. And let me see if I can pull the 12Z up. And by golly, it's going to look a whole lot like that. The 12Z is in, going a little early today because of the Friday Night Rivals football broadcast we have tonight. And let me drop this in. And there we go. And you can see there's really no change. That's the 12Z ensemble output from the European. Same thing. Just signals of maybe a little mischief in the Caribbean. Does it develop at all? Does it move open to the open Atlantic? We just don't know that yet. But let's go through modeling. Model fans. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got an upper high that's over the far southwest United States and a broad northwest flow aloft. And there's a surface front north of Alabama pushing down into Tennessee. And that might kick off a few spotty showers. Let's go to the high-resolution HRR. We haven't looked at this in a long time because we've had no rain to show. This is the high-res HRR. The HRR is HRRR, High-Resolution Rapid Refresh. And you can see spotty showers along and south of the front, mainly over Tennessee. And some of those might drift down into the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama tomorrow evening. If you're in Huntsville, the Shoals, Scottsboro, Athens, could there be a raindrop? Yep. But again, I'm afraid it's not very meaningful. And this is valid Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. And again, you can see the chance of a few spotty showers over about the northern half of the state in advance of that front. So understand the chance of rain is not zero. We'll have these things around, but I'm afraid it's just not going to mean much in the overall scheme of things. Here's a look at the GFS tomorrow and the GFS on Sunday, and it's not showing much. And again, we'll be in the mid-80s tomorrow. By Sunday, the high dropping to near 80. That's still pretty far above average. The average high is about 73, but not quite as warm as recent days. We'll go to Monday. Again, next week, every day, high should be around 80. The week will be dry. This is Tuesday. On out to Halloween here. Thursday looks dry. Rain showers north and west of the state. And a week from today, Friday the 1st of November, still got a flat ridge, and those little showers north and west of the state just kind of fizzle as they try and move in here. The old rule is you never forecast rain in the middle of a drought. So we'll see. And again, we'll see if Birmingham can get any rain late tomorrow night or Sunday. But it sure looks like this could be the first totally dry month since October 1924, 100 years ago. All right, let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days here. This is Monday, the 4th of November. Got a deep upper low that's over the southwest United States, south of Las Vegas. And again, we're still dry. Let's look at the output coming off the GFS ensemble. And not the European, but the GFS. Again, we're going a little early today. And again, we get this product a tad earlier. And the GFS showing under 1 inch. That the mean is between 1/2 and 1 inch between now and the 9th of November. Still evidence we'll see some rain after about November 4th or 5th. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. 84 tomorrow, and then highs around 80 for Sunday and basically all of next week. Lows upper 50s and low 60s. And again, this product not in yet today, but still looks like temperatures should stay above average over the eastern half of the country for the first 7 days of November. Hey, we've got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Hey, I love a big crowd. Locust Fork Elementary School in Blount County. Come on now. We had a great time today. We talked about the science of meteorology. These kids were great listeners, great learners. I like that cake. Home of the Hornets. Indeed. Boy, that's outstanding. But such a fun time today. We talked about some storm spotting. We talked about ways of staying safe during severe weather. Talked a lot about hurricanes, tropical storms, weather instruments, weather forecasting, but a great crowd today. So again, to all my buddies at Locust Fork Elementary School, thanks a lot for a great visit this morning. You guys are looking good. And again, I'm about to head down to Bibb County, to Bibb County High School, our Friday night rivals game of the week, Pleasant Grove at Bibb County. I'll be live on ABC 3340 at 4, 5, and 6. Blitz Game Day on Channel 68 at 6:30. The game itself on Channel 68 at 7. Again, no book signing tomorrow, but we are going to do one a week from tomorrow, and I'll get the location from the publisher early next week. We'll let you know about that. And, of course, we do invite you to watch us on TV this evening. I'll be out at Bibb County this evening, back in the studio, Studio A tonight at 10. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous weekend, and God bless.